Good evening, friends. Namaskar. Jai Hind. I am Captain Purva, friends, an ex-army officer and a personality development coach and a psychological counselor by profession. Friends, in my personality development classes, it's a 3-week class, 15 classes, 5 weeks, 5 days in a week, about an hour each. So in all, we meet each other for 15 classes, and then 15 hours also. In my classes of personality development, I will be teaching you, I will be training your mind psychologically because I'm a psychological counselor by profession, and moreover, I was an army officer, so I was in uniform myself. I know how to conduct, how to groom you, and how should we improve your body language. So, whenever you are sitting in front of the interviewing officer, you are a very good student, you academically you are very bright, but there you become nervous. You're not able to speak in public on any lecture topics, or you don't remember the content right on time, it vanishes. So in my PT classes, friends, we will have a lot of slides. I will be showing the presentations I have prepared for children, and moreover I will be giving you topics to speak on, normal topics, current affairs, depending on what is the aim of your joining my classes. So my curriculum will be based on your individual requirement. I will be giving you that type of work to work upon yourself, so that then you are confident. We will have a presentation for how to build confidence, how to save your time, that is time management, communication skills, body language, interview techniques, how to introduce yourself, your self assessment, your questionnaire for self assessment. So in my PT classes, mock interviews very important, your picture perception test for army people are preparing for SSB. I will help them get trained. So in my personality development classes for 15 hours, that is 3 weeks, 5 hours or 5 days each week, I will be covering all these things, whatever I told you. And moreover, the most important point, I will be training you. I will be developing your personality based on your psychology. Your fears will be removed. SWOT analysis will be there on day 1. We all know strength, weakness, opportunity and threat. Once you know what is your weakness, then only you can work upon it. So you can join the classes and get enrolled there. Thank you so much for being there. Jai Hind.